Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to my Arabic tutorial. So in this video we will first see some vocabulary and then we'll go for the exercises. So let's get started. Bismillah. So the first word is means or. It is used in dual choice questions. So if we have two options like kitab or kalam, kitab or kalam means book or pen, so we can use in Arabic kitab kalam. Okay, so means or. Assalamu alaikum, we have already studied, it is a greeting, peace be upon you. Wa alaikum assalam, that's how you reply to assalamu alaikum, you say peace be unto you. Bab means door. Bab means door. Daftar means notebook. Daftar means notebook. And then we have finjan means cup. Finjan means cup. Kursi means chair. Kursi means chair. Hada means this. And we use hal to make an interrogative sentence. Usually the answer would be yes or no. Okay, for this type of question we use hal. Kitab, we already know it's a book. La is a negative way to reply no, which means no. La means no. Ma is a question, which means what. It's an interview. Alright, so ma means what. Mindil means handkerchief. Mindil means handkerchief. Naam means yes. Naam means yes. Tilmeed means student. Tilmeed means a student. Ustaz means teacher or professor. Ustaz means teacher or professor. Wa means and. Alam means flag. Alam means flag. So these were the vocabularies, and now we will go for the exercises. So here's a pattern drills. Alright, so here is a pattern drill. So this is exercise number 1. Now listen carefully what you have to do, what you have to say. So for example, you will be given a word. As you can see on the screen, you will be given a word and you have to make a sentence using hada. Hada means this, like for example kitab. So you make a sentence hada kitabun. Alright, so tilmiz, so you make a sentence hada tilmizun. Similarly, you have to do for all these words over here. Finjan, what it will be, you need to say it and then I will confirm it later on. Finjan, the answer is hada finjanun. Hada finjanun. Finjan means cup. This is a cup. Hada finjanun. Bab means door. So you make a sentence hada babun. Kursi, hada kursiyun. Mindil, hada mindilun. Mindil means handkerchief. Alam, hada alamun. Alam means flag. Ustad, hada ustadun. Daftar, hada daftarun. Tilmiz, hada tilmizun. Tilmiz means student. Kitab, hada kitabun. Mindil, hada mindilun. So this was a basic exercise number 1. All you have to do was to make a sentence using hada before a word. Okay, so I hope you have understood this exercise and I will see you guys in another video with another exercise for this one. So see you soon. Ma salama ila laka. Assalamu alaikum.